Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be cooking shrimps today, shrimps and yam. So this is my yam and this is the shrimps. Shrimps. This is jumbo, okay? So this is the ingredient. This is the ingredient you need. I need onions because I'm gonna make like a little bit of gravy because we'll go with the yam. So I need like five little medium onions, one tomato, two Maggi, and two sazon. And this is the season I'm gonna be using: my steak season and my Maggi season. Okay. And this is the shrimps. It doesn't matter. You don't need like an extra jumbo shrimps. Okay. You can get like a medium one, whatever you can afford. Okay. This is the frozen one. So I'm gonna start cooking. Okay. You see extra jumbo, so that means it's big. Okay, so it's time to boil the yam. I already cut the yam, so put some water on it, and I'm gonna add some salt. Any regular salt you got home, you can add some salt, okay? Because you want to make sure you add salt on it. This is just the salt. Any regular salt you got home, okay? So I'm gonna add the salt, and I'm gonna cover it. Let it boil, okay? That's all you need to do. You see, I added salt and cover it, let it boil. Shrimps already washed the shrimps. So you see, so it's time to season the shrimps. We need to season the shrimps very light, okay? This is the Maggi season. The Maggi season very light. You don't want to put too much on it, okay? Because you don't want to over season it. Very light. So now I'm gonna mix it with the spoon. So this is the spoon. So this is the spoon. I'm gonna mix it to make sure it's well seasoned. You know what? This is my yam. My yam is almost cooked. It's almost done. And this is the onions, garlic, and tomato. This is the tomato under it. Okay, so I already put the oil in the pot. So I'm gonna start cooking right now. So I'm gonna mix this with my hand. My hand is clean. So I'm gonna mix it. You need to make sure you mix it very well, okay? Mix it very well. You wanna make sure the season is all over. And I always take one and try it. And make sure it's well seasoned like the way you want, okay? So I already turned the stove on. And I'm gonna wait the oil to be a little bit hot, and I'm gonna put the shrimps. I'm gonna fry the shrimp for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna remove and after fry the onions. It's time to add the shrimps. You see it's hot, so I'm gonna add the shrimps. You don't need to put too much oil, okay? Just a little tiny bit. So you're gonna let it cook a little bit, and after I'm gonna let it fry for like 5 minutes, and after I'm gonna remove it and fry the onions, okay? So okay, just a 5 second, and I'm gonna remove it now, and then I'm gonna fry the onions, okay? And I'm gonna add it back again. Okay, I removed the shrimps out of the oil. So this is the oil. So I'm gonna add the onions and the tomato and the garlic, okay? Right now. So it's time to fry those two, okay? And I'm gonna add the seasoning to it too. I'm gonna add 2 sazon. Sazon gonna give me the redness like a tomato. So I'm gonna add 2 sazon right now, okay? Okay, just add the sazon. And this is the Maggi. I'm gonna and I'm just add the 1 Maggi too. I'm gonna mix it first, okay? Because you don't want to over salt this food, because this is a very gentle food to cook. So you want to make sure you don't over season the food. So the 1 Maggi I put, and I'm gonna just try the food first and see if it's nice and salty like the way I want it. If it's not, I'm gonna add some more seasoning to it, okay? I did not add no water yet. No water, nothing. You see what the sazon do? Sazon will give you that kind of redness like a tomato. I did not add no tomato. I just add just sazon. I always tell you guys, sazon is very good. Very tasty. Goya is Goya. So I love it, okay? Y'all need to buy some and try it. So y'all will see what I'm talking about. I'm not getting paid for it, but hey, I love it. It's very good. So I'm gonna try it and see how the seasoning is good or not. If I need more, I'm gonna add more. Okay, now so you see, I did not add no water to it. No water, nothing. Like I just said, no water. So I already tried it and it's raw seasoned. So you see the onions is cooked already. So it's time to add the shrimps back again, okay? Because these shrimps got water too. So when you add water, it will be too much. And you don't want to overcook your shrimps. So that's the reason why I did not add no water to it. So now you see, to cook like a shrimp is very easy. It's the most easy food ever to cook. If you don't know how to cook it, you will overcook it. The shrimp's gonna be like a rubber. You don't want it. So you want your shrimp to taste very good. You see? Like in 2-3 minutes, that's it, it's done. Okay, so this is my yam. The yam is ready. So I already cleaned the yam and cut in little cube. And this is the one I'm gonna be eating right now. And this is the shrimps. And this is the final product for the shrimps. So what you're supposed to do, you're gonna take a little piece and just put it here like this. And that's it. You're gonna eat it like that. Very tasty, man. You don't even know. If you want, you can just do this and eat it. It's so good. Okay, thank you for watching our cuisine. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the more video I'm gonna be posting, like the way I told you guys. Love you guys so much. And bye.